I'm Cameron Brown with the NASE. Do you recall getting privacy notifications on what seemed to be just about every website you visited back in May of 2018? That was because this was when the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, went into effect. The GDPR imposes strict, new rules surrounding the protection and control of personally identifiable information in all 28 EU countries. This new rule is also known as the right to be forgotten rule, as it essentially says that any visitor to your site has the right to be forgotten upon request. This applies to any browsing history, profile information, or anything that can be traced back to the individual. Most websites are applying this rule regardless of whether they do business with those that are protected by this rule or not, simply because it's cheaper to apply it as a blanket type policy, and widely thought that soon this will be common practice throughout the world anyway. So, how does this affect you, the small business website administrator? Essentially, if someone protected from this new rule asks you to remove any record of their presence on your site, then you have 30 days to do so. This includes any order information, session history, backups, or any other personally identifiable information for this individual. To do this, it would be wise to develop a plan. First, identify all the elements you would have to delete. Then, figure out how to delete them and come up with a plan. Depending on the complexity of your website, this might be a simple task or so complex that you may need to consult with others on. It's probably best to come up with a plan now and avoid any potential penalty in the future. Visit NASE.org and ask an expert about this or any other topic. At the NASE, we have the tools and resources to help you run your business successfully.